today we had a very, very interesting session at a lovely bookstore in Mumbai called Tidal Waves. And we discussed everyday cyber threats and how do we keep ourselves aware and what are the laws, what are the processes, how do we go file an FIR. These are very important, very, very simple information, but something which can save you from potentially very big crimes or future threats. एंड बार बार मैं ये बात बोलती हूँ कि जितने भी क्राइम्स होते हैं यूजुअली 3 बकेट में जो 3 रीजंस होते हैं उसकी वजह से होते हैं। वन इज फियर, पैनिकिंग, आपने अभी अब तुरंत ये नहीं किया तो आपके पैसे चले जाएंगे और आपका बैंक अकाउंट बंद हो जाएगा या आपके किसी जान पहचान का एक्सीडेंट हो गया है। फियर, लस्ट, रिलेशनशिप्स, somebody who loves you is going to leak your pictures out, spurned lover, even somebody, you've divorced your husband, ex-wife, whoever, and they leak your pictures. Fear, lust, and the last is greed. Get rich quickly, and lose weight quickly. Give me this money, trading scam. If you can be aware of these 3 main causes and also be very, very patient each time you get a notification, each time you get an email, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप उसको उसी 2 सेकंड में रिस्पॉन्ड करें। बी पेशेंट, be mindful, and teach your children and your elderly what are the current cyber threats and how to consume news also mindfully. Verify before you share. And for any more exhaustive information, you can go to my site akankshashrivastava.org. You can watch our videos. You can also write to my team, teamakanksha@gmail.com. Stay aware, stay safe.
Thank you very much for the today's session. And I thank Akanksha ji for calling me over here as a panelist. I request everyone to please stay safe and watch the videos or the articles, whatever is published regarding the cyber safety and the cyber awareness. And don't fall prey to it, because what happens when the criminals are caught and they are brought before us, it becomes very difficult for us to get them prosecuted because of the lack of evidences or the lack of knowledge what you're producing before the law enforcement. So I would request everyone to please take it seriously and don't take it just for a time pass or anything. Cyber crimes are taking a rapid speed and it's increasing on a very large scale every day. So that's why I urge people to please know the cyber laws and be alert and be cautious, and they should know the rules and regulations before falling prey to it. And for the benefit of the country also, because if you are aware, then the country is aware. Keep on watching such videos and stay safe, and thank you.
आज रोजी आकांक्षा श्रीवास्तव फाउंडेशन तर्फे आयोजित केलेल्या सायबर अवेअरनेस प्रोग्रामच्या संदर्भात माझी सर्वांना अशी विनंती आहे की जे कुणी सायबर गुन्ह्यांना बळी पडतील त्यांनी केवळ घरी बसून न राहता, असहाय्य स्वतःला न समजता त्यांनी पोलिसांच्याकडे गेलं पाहिजे, आपली FIR नोंदवली पाहिजे आणि त्यांच्याकडून त्यांचा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करून घेतला पाहिजे. त्याचबरोबर सर्वांना अशी विनंती आहे की स्वतःला एज्युकेटेड करत राहणं आणि सायबर अवेअर होत राहणं ही आजच्या काळाची गरज आहे, जेणेकरून आपण सायबर क्रिमिनल्सवरती मात करू शकू.
As we just saw in this very exhaustive discussion by the Akanksha Shrivastava Foundation, cybercrime is growing, it's evolving, and we need to really upgrade our own tactics and our own measures to combat it. Proactive awareness is the only answer to the situation. Go online, consume the right content, read up on what's happening, read up on how you can prevent that from happening. Think, verify, trust nothing. And the most important thing that I can tell you from my experience as a journalist interacting with hundreds of victims over the years is that you as the victim need to feel no shame about this. It is the cyber criminals who need to feel fear. So let us all work together towards changing the perception of cybercrime, towards taking the sting out of their weapons, and go forward together to being a cyber safe society.
मेरा नाम अजय गुप्ता है और मैं आकांक्षा श्रीवास्तव फाउंडेशन में आके मुझे बहुत पता चला कि क्या क्या सिक्योरिटीज़ होते हैं, साइबर सिक्योरिटीज़, क्या क्या किस चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है, OTPs हो गया, लिंक्स हो गए, कोई भी लिंक शेयर नहीं करने हैं, ये सब के बारे में बहुत पता चला और बहुत बेनिफिट्स हुए और आगे के लिए ध्यान के लिए। थैंक यू।